Welcome back, YouTube. Today on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Sport, we've got a new package. Let's dig in. Alright, so we have the Rugged Ridge dash multi-mount system. It's supposed to be able to put your phone and looks like a GoPro on the front, which will be helpful on the trails. Let's open it up. First thing we see, we have instructions. Don't really do instructions, but this one is pretty helpful because it takes step by step. Pretty good. Garbage. Okay, so it's fairly simple. This tray replaces your factory tray. I guess this is where the phone mount's going to go, and I guess you can do the GoPro here. Multi-mount system. Spring loaded for your phone. Hopefully that doesn't wear out. We'll see. And it looks like there's instructions in here. Okay.
Step 1, remove the rubber liner.
Alright, so the first step is to remove this rubber liner in here. You're going to need a trim removal tool so you don't scratch up the plastic. This is pretty difficult. I had to do this a couple times. You're going to try to pry under this rubber. So they're going to pull it out. There's a couple snaps that kind of hold it in place. You're going to put this aside.
Step 2, remove the 2 Phillips screws.
Alright, so there's 2 Phillips screws, one here and one over here, and you have to remove these before you put in the new mounting system. So let's remove them.
Step 3, place the mount into position.
Alright, you're going to take the Rugged Ridge mounting system tray. You're going to put it right in the same spot the rubber mat came out of, or the rubber liner. You're going to reuse the 2 screws you took out of your OEM slots, and they are going to line up perfectly with the new system. Alright, the next step is to put the phone adapter onto the mount. You're gonna start with this outer ring, and you're gonna put over the ball. Take the other piece, put here, and then just screw it on. Okay, so here is the phone in the mount. This is the iPhone XS Max. The phone holder is at capacity with the commuter OtterBox mount on the phone. The thing I want to note is it's kind of tilted back. It won't go, I mean, it'll go lower, but you're moving the phone, not the mount itself. You can turn it, you can have it twisted, you know, whatever, wherever you want it, however you want it. But the mount is okay. I mean, it's going to hold the phone in place. It's not going to go anywhere. You also have the spot for an external camera. I'm going to put a GoPro there when we hit the trails when it warms up. But there it is. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment as we do updates to the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL.